Hi there. In this video, you'll learn how to create hyperlinks. Hyperlinks let viewers jump to other locations in a document, to other documents or to websites as well. So let's learn how to create one. I'm going to use the same file we created in the last lesson, and let's go to page 1. Let's pick a word from here. So select it and then go to type and then hyperlinks and cross-references and then new hyperlink. This example is for a URL, so let's select URL from here. In the style option, we have a few choices, so we can either let the word have the same style as the rest of the words in the document, or have no style, or use a hyperlink. So let's click the hyperlink option here. Now enter the URL address you want this word to point to. You even have the option of highlighting the word with either an invisible rectangle or a visible rectangle. In a visible rectangle, you literally have a visible rectangle around the target word. So let's have an invisible rectangle. And then you have other tidbits like choosing a highlight color or width, etc. So let's hit OK. Now let's open the Hyperlinks panel, and for that, let's go to Window and then Interactive and select Hyperlinks. Here you could see the hyperlink we've just set to the word donut. So click the small green icon to the right and it will open the URL. Let's add another one and have this word sapient to trigger the link. So highlight the word sapient and you see this plus button at the bottom of the hyperlinks panel. Click it to reveal the new hyperlink pop-up menu. This time select page from the link to drop-down, which means once anyone clicks this word, he will be directed to a particular page set by us. The document says Untitled 6, which is our current document as you can see here. Let's select page 7 from the drop-down and the style to be set to hyperlink once again. And then hit OK. To test if your hyperlink is working, click the document icon on the right and you shall be directed to page 7 instantly. Let's go to page 17, and this time we'll have to do something different because we want to set a word to take us to another word in the document. So first we need to create this word as a hyperlink destination word. So let's select this word Curabita and then click the burger menu on the right of the hyperlinks panel and select new hyperlink destination. In the pop-up, select type to text anchor, because that's what we want, and the highlighted word must already be showing next to the name field. So let's hit OK. Now let's go to page 1 and select a word that will direct us to the word we just created as the hyperlink destination word on page 17. I'm going to select this word, vestibulum, and click the same plus button to create a new hyperlink. From the link to option, I'm going to select text anchor, and immediately in the destination option, it shows the only text anchor we have created, and our style is already set to hyperlink, so we won't disturb it at this point, and hit OK. To test if it works, click the icon next to the word in the hyperlinks panel and it shall take you right to the destination word. Let's create one last hyperlink. So on page 17, I'm going to pick a word Curabita, and then click the small plus button at the bottom of the hyperlinks panel, and in the pop-up menu, select File from the Link to option. In the destination option, click the file icon and select the file you want this word to direct you to, and hit OK. Now let's test this by clicking the file icon next to the word in the hyperlinks panel, and the moment you click it, it shall open the file. To test it as a PDF, let's go to File and then Export. And let's change the file name to demo, and format is already set to Adobe PDF Interactive, so hit save and then hit export. And you shall find the PDF created and opened almost instantly. Let's click the first word donut to test it, and it does take us to the URL as per the settings. Let's click sapient and you shall find yourself on page 7. Let's click the word vestibulum and it takes you to page 17. But since this is a PDF, you won't find the cursor blinking next to the word Curabita, because that was our destination word, remember? And lastly, let's click Curabita and it shall give you a warning asking your permission to open the file. So hit allow and you will find it saving the destination file. You can click open the file to verify it as well. Alright guys, so that's the magic of hyperlinks, and I hope you've enjoyed it. So I'm going to see you in the next one in just a few seconds. Goodbye.